Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Blizzard hits Xinjiang, breaks records and disrupts transport. A powerful blizzard has hit many parts of the northwest China's Xinjiang Uygur Autonomous Region since Wednesday, bringing record snowfall and causing major travel disruptions. According to the Regional Meteorological Observatory, by 8 a.m. Thursday, 538 weather stations across Xinjiang had reported rain and snow, and 77 stations recorded blizzard conditions. 11 areas, including Urumqi and Ili Kazakh Autonomous Prefectures, were hit by the heavy snow. In Urumqi, 35.6 millimeters of the precipitation fell in just one day, the highest daily totals ever recorded in November. The heaviest snowfall was in Uygur Township, Ili, where snow reached 40.8 millimeters, said the chief forecaster at the observatory. The blizzard has caused serious transport problems across the region. Sections of the major highways have been partially or fully closed, and reopening times are not yet known. Rail services have also been affected. A passenger train between the Urumqi and Korla was cancelled on Thursday because of the severe weather. Forecasters warn that more snow is expected in some areas over the next few days, which could further affect the travel and safety. And that's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.